Welcome. Let us show you how to list your PrestaShop products on TikTok Shop using M2E Multichannel Connect. You'll learn how to set up your listings and publish products in bulk. To list your first products, open the M2E Multichannel Connect module in PrestaShop. From the Dashboard tab, click the List on TikTok button. You'll see the listing wizard that guides you through 3 simple steps to get your products live. First, choose which TikTok Shop marketplace you want to sell on. Next, configure your product settings using policies. Think of policies as reusable listing templates. Set them up once, and they'll save you time on future listings. Start with the selling policy. Here, you'll set your product price, available quantity, and package dimensions. You can also apply price modifications to adjust your prices up or down by a percentage or fixed amount. Then, move on to the synchronization policy. It controls how the app keeps your listings in sync between your store and TikTok Shop. Note that these settings don't affect the initial listing. They're used to sync future updates you make to your products. Finally, set description policy to customize your product titles and descriptions for the marketplace. You can build advanced templates using HTML and insert product attributes directly from PrestaShop. Once your policies are configured, move on to the next step. Now select the products you want to publish. The easiest place to start is the Ready to List view. It shows all the products that aren't on TikTok Shop yet and meet the basic requirements, like being in stock and having a valid price. Need to refine the list? Click Add Filter to find specific items by category, variant options, or other parameters. We suggest that you start by selecting just a couple of products to learn the process. Once you're comfortable, you can move on to listing your products in bulk. When you're done, click Next. Every product needs a TikTok Shop category, and you have 3 ways to assign one. The first is Auto-Assign Recommended Category. Click Get Recommended Categories, and TikTok will suggest one based on your product details. Review the suggestion in the purple box, and either confirm it or change it manually. The second option is to map your store categories to TikTok categories. Set up the mappings once, and the app will reuse them for future listings automatically. And the third option is All Products, Same Category. Useful when all items in your batch belong to the same product type. Manually pick one TikTok category and apply it to the whole group. Now that the category is set, you need to fill in its attributes. Some required, some recommended for better visibility. For each attribute, you have 3 ways to fill it in. The first one is to use data from your PrestaShop product attributes, ideal when the information is already in your store. The second is to pick from TikTok's predefined options, useful when TikTok provides a fixed set of values. And the third is to enter a custom value manually, handy when the other 2 don't apply. No matter which source you choose, make sure it's not empty and that the value is correct. Missing data will block your listing from being published. You may also see a mapping suggestion pop up. Our smart system recognizes when your attribute setup could apply to future listings in the same category and offers to save it as a global mapping. Confirm it, and the same values will be pre-filled automatically next time. It's a small step that saves a lot of repetitive work. When you're ready, click List Now to submit your products to TikTok Shop. The app will run a quick validation to catch any issues in advance. Products that pass validation are sent to TikTok Shop for approval. If any product issues come up, they will appear in the Listing Validator Assistant. Click Review Issues to see what exactly needs attention. Then click Next Steps, and the app will guide you through possible resolutions for each issue. Once you've made and saved your changes, click List Now. The app will submit the corrected products for listing. Once live, you can manage your products from the listings page, organize them into groups, or save filter presets to speed things up. To edit one product, click its card, update what you need, and save. For bulk edits, select multiple products and use the Mass Actions menu to update policy or category settings. The app syncs the changes to TikTok Shop automatically. That's it. You're all set to start selling on TikTok Shop. If you run into any issues, feel free to contact the M2E support team. We're here to help. Thanks for watching.